Hello, I'm Simon from HiStruct, and I will happy to show you how with the HiStruct roofs you can quickly and easily tackle most of the tasks you face every day as a manufacturer, supplier or roofers when it comes to roof sales. And what solution do we offer for the challenges you face? HiStruct Roofs is a powerful tool designed to simplify and optimize your entire sales process, from gathering leads to generating accurate price quotes. Our clients are already leveraging HiStruct's automation to efficiently handle a high volume of customer inquiries. Thanks to this automation, managing a large number of customers becomes much easier, allowing them to respond quickly and effectively. And if customer numbers are dropping, you can add a smart form, we call it Wizard, to your website that not only collect leads, but also automatically model the roof. In both cases, you can easily manage the entire project in one place and assign it to the right person on your team. And what are some of the key features that makes this possible? One of standout feature of HiStruct roofs is the 3D model. While it may not be necessary for visualization alone, it facilitates quick and accurate pricing. This model also automatically generates various outputs. A detailed bill of material or 2D layout drawings are standard. But what's particularly valuable is the ability to create a price quote with a single click, which you can then customize to fit your specific needs and pricing. Another important feature is the ease of project sharing. Since HiStruct is a web application, all changes are saved instantly, ensuring that you never lose a project. Plus, you can access your projects from anywhere. Additionally, HiStruct enhances a lead generation through its smart form, which not only collects leads, but also qualifies them by automatically modeling the roof based on user inputs. This functionally helps ensure a steady influx of qualified leads for your sales team. There are several ways to model a roof. It all depends on the input data you have. You can import drawings as DXF or PDF file, or use a 3D model, such as one created with drone mapping. Both of these inputs significantly simplify the roof modeling process and make the following steps easier. But, as you can see, it's also possible to model a roof quickly and easily without any layouts at all. This is especially handy for smaller projects or those with lower quality inputs. During modeling, you can select roofing materials from a gallery that includes basic types of roofing. If you have specific requirements, you can even add your own custom roofing option, providing great flexibility for various types of roofs. A large part of the process is automated. For example, flashing and gutters are generated automatically and can be adjusted at any time. Once modeling is complete, you can move on outputs, downloading bill of materials and drawings. But the most important output is the editable quote, known as the quote maker. With a single click, a clear, organized quote is automatically generated, which you can easily adjust to fit your current needs. You can update prices, whether based on the latest price list or the desired margin, helping you to tailor the quote to the specific requirements of your customer. If you like to customize the quote even further, you can remove unnecessary items, ensuring that the final quotes match exactly what the customer is looking for. For more professional appearance, you can add your company's logo or other branding elements to the header, reinforcing your brand and leaving a positive impression. Once you are fully satisfied with the quote, simply print it and send it directly to your customer quickly and easily. To sum it all up, whether you're dealing with a high volume of projects or facing a shortage of inquiries, HiStruct Roofs provides the tool to streamline your sales process, generating qualified leads and efficiently manage your projects. From quick and accurate price quotes to automated roof modeling and project management, HiStruct Roofs simplifies and accelerates every step, helping you save time and increase accuracy. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in discovering more, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to set you up with a trial version so you can see firsthand just how HiStruct Roofs can transform your workflow. Thank you once again, and I look forward to helping you make the most of the HiStruct Roofs.